morning, guys. It's 18 what's me, guys. It's Go Dogs for One. What you can grab to anything for question, doing anything except, well, today is another day. There's no school. Snow day for them, but in-town buses are running, you guys, which is kind of weird, but it's okay. I don't make up the rules, so it's gonna be fun and exciting. So talk to you guys when I'm done work. What we're gonna do next, guys? I'm just heading home. I had to get a boost from the bus because supposedly the battery would not start. So that's what's going on, you guys. Off at the Early Center. How I'm at work, so I'm just waiting to 2 o'clock to just go inside. So that's what's going on. Hey guys, I just dropped Rachel off. I'm gonna do some cleaning pretty soon. I'm gonna do some laundry. So that's what's going on. It's just so much stuff to do. It's so much short time to do it. It just, I need to do like that. What should we have? What do we have to make, so I don't have to say anything. I don't know. We're gonna have for lunch. I really do not know. I feel like maybe cook up some burgers for Rachel and me. I don't know. Maybe there's no bun, but we don't really need a bun. What other things can we cook up? Oh yeah, we need to make the pasta salad sometime. So much stuff to do, you guys. I'm training myself a lot, you guys. Trying to figure things out. Try to get everything organized a little bit. So that's what's going on, you guys. I'm just waiting for Rachel to get picked up. I have to pick Rachel up. So I don't know what I'm gonna have. I'm a bit tired this morning. So that's what's going on, you guys. Captain, oh, you guys look so good.
Are you trying to say something there, Grace? We're not going upstairs right now. Where are your cats? Hi, baby.
Hey guys, right now you guys we're going Bible study, so talk to you guys then. Hey guys, I'm going to today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.